Good day, mate. Doing a little bit of work on the inside here. We had some pretty serious leak problems with our latest rain endeavor, so we are enclosing these windows. We made it a priority here, you know, because we don't need moisture in here. That's the extent of that. So that's the inside. We gotta wait for our tar to dry a little bit, but once it dries, we're gonna paint this to match. So it's gonna look a little funky at first, but we just closed in the windows. That's all. Spent a lot of our time lately trying to get the integrity of the building up to snuff. Same with this overhead door. We're gonna have to rebuild the bottom 4 panels of this. Dan noticed, if I can get you up there, I don't know if you can see or not with the light, but there's a transformer there. On this pole right here, there's a transformer. So we decided we're gonna go the proper route and get 3-phase installed into the shop. Instead of converting everything that we were going to run, we are gonna just get 3-phase. What else? Oh, right. Been working on our letters for the storefront. You know, this is just a quick rundown or a quick preliminary. We are, of all things, you know, we're trying to be frugal here. So, oh, that's kind of neat. Where'd you get those? Well, where we got them was Walmart in the cooking section. So I hope you guys don't need any cutting boards because there aren't any. I've bought every one that they've had for the last 2 weeks, and I will continue to do so until we have everything we need. We're just about 5 shy. So yeah, they end up being about 11 inches tall, the letters, and hopefully you guys will see that here in the next couple of days installed at the top of the, well, above the doorway and the opening of the front of the building. So, I don't know. Dan, what do you got? What's new? Nothing. Nothing from Dan. That's it from Dan. That's it. So, I'm sure a couple of people have heard that Dan dumped over a cabinet that we paid a buku bucks for out of the auction. Turns out that it was not such a bad thing, so we were forced to be creative in how we're going to store our soft jaws, and this is how we're doing it. We actually got these racks for free from, what was it? Maynard Electric. They had these out, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago, and they've just been sitting in Dan's garage, and I have one in my basement as well. So it's going to be used for storing our jaws. Also, this is pretty cool. We were looking to integrate some live tooling into this lathe potentially, but we were concerned that it wouldn't have the capacity to do it. But the control panel does have a C-axis option, and if we come around to the back here, you can see a C-axis controller on the spindle. So I think we're going to be okay with that. I think we might have what we need to integrate that stuff. Let's see what's new up front. Oh, we got our restroom sign. We just got to hang it. We got our phones in. You guys want to give us a call, feel free. 716-806-1017. That'll be our business line. Got to put up our exit signs. We got our new printer. Yeah, so that's where we're at, guys. Signing out. All right, cutting boards are up. Cutting boards. Repaired our sign today. All the little bullet holes in it were repaired. Just got done hanging here. So people might have wondered, who are these weirdos? What the hell is this place? Well, at least now they'll know. Right? Now they'll know. Got a funny story maybe I'll share about those letters. They're made out of poly cutting boards from Walmart. I have bought them out of cutting boards every week for weeks, but it's done. So, Paul Sura come and paid us a visit today. Paul, it's good seeing you. Thanks for coming. Anybody else that wants to come see us, please feel free. You know, we might continue working. Don't feel like you're ignored. We're just busy. But, yeah. If you are stopping by right now, we don't have a ringer of any sort in the shop to notify us of people at the front door. So you might have to come to the back door. Just, you know, walk around the back of the pit stop. Or walk around behind Austin security. That'll work too. But at any rate, again, if you do stop by and we continue working, it's not to ignore you. We're just very busy. So, all right, everyone. We're going to call that a wrap. We're going to clean up our shop now. We've been making a hell of a mess of it for the last couple of days, and we need to clean it up. So, final words? No. All right. Adios.